Shit, what's happening? I'm ready to teach our boys how to make some breakfast really quick. You know what I'm saying? We got some turkey sausages, we got 2 eggs, and we got some pancake mix. Butter, obviously. That's the 4th ingredient. 5th one if you want to include water. We got 5 ingredients. Water definitely the ingredient. Gotta include that. When it comes to the amount of water that you need, you gotta really just have the sauce. You gotta just know how much to put, how much you need to mix in. Like, it just come with time. Like me, I get that bit usually right about first time every time, but you might have to add a little more. You might have to add a little more mix if you put a little too much water in it, you feel me? For me, I'm using a cup. This shit will get stuck, you know what I'm saying? So you gotta really have a little bit of extra sauce if you on the BS, you feel me? Of a real nigga like me, you know what I'm saying? Cause I don't wanna wash no dishes, me personally. I'ma throw the eggs in the same cup, add some flavor to them bitches. I like to just make sure I got at least my pancake mix prepped before I even get the grill turned on, cause I don't want the butter to start burning too much. I'm gonna add a little bit of oil to it. If you got the margarine, you know what I'm saying, it's already a butter oil spread, but you gotta basically have butter and oil. You know what I'm saying, for the pancakes to be crispy and nice and to cook perfectly. Like I said, my nigga, pay attention, bro. I got the olive oil in that bitch, so I'm gonna have to keep the fire OD low. What we thinking? I ain't trying to wait goddamn forever. We're gonna start like that, let it heat up. I ain't gonna make sure this get across the whole pot. I don't need, you feel me? I don't need that something. You gonna clearly get a sense when this bitch is clearly ready. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna drop her in now. Give me a nice old big bitch. Ooh wee. Throw big earth on that bitch. Yeah, sir. Like, just whisk these up. About the flick of the wrist. It's all about the flick. I landed that hoe. It's all about the flick of the wrist, chat. Now we got these little eggs cooking. I'm about to scramble these bitches. They cooking fat to hell. I know y'all be fucking with that little shit and steaming your eggs and shit. Me personally, I don't like that shit. I like some hard scrambled. No olive oil in the pot no more. We're gonna turn it up a little bit. See this butter to it? I'm gonna have to add a. Ooh, oh yeah. You see that little sizzle has stopped. A little cheese. Just make sure that cheese just get to starting to melt. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna take some time. Just make sure that cheese get mixed in with that egg a little bit. By the time that meat done cooking, you're gonna come back to these eggs and this junk gonna just be all melted in. Peripheral, you could really smell when the meat done. That should be easy to tell with these. I damn near just feel like I sound like a white bitch back in the 70s, boy. In the South. I'm tripping.
What you got, baby boy? You level 3? I didn't show that. Oh, that's
Watch it. Watch it.
Oh yeah.
Watch it. This nigga Brian is. This nigga Brian, bro. What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he doing? What is he fucking doing?